So a very good morning to all of you. So dear students, today we are going to learn quadratic equations part 4, that is finding discriminant from a quadratic equation. Okay, in the previous period we have learned how to find roots of an equation by completing square method. Now today we are going to learn how to find discriminant. Okay, so before learning how to find discriminant, let us understand what is discriminant in a quadratic equation. Okay, so consider a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are any real numbers. Okay, now from these real numbers we can make a value, that is b square minus 4ac. Now this value of b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay, what is it known as? Discriminant. Is it clear? Okay, so what is the condition? That in a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, abc are any numbers. Okay, so the value of b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Now in a discriminant, or for a discriminant, we get three possible values. Okay, based on that values we can decide that what will be the nature of roots. Now nature of roots means how many types of roots are possible. Okay, that we can understand. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 has, if suppose if it is having, if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the quadratic equation have two distinct real roots. Distinct means different. Okay, suppose if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation have two equal real roots. And if the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real roots for the given quadratic equation. Is it clear? Okay, now let us solve some example based on this one. Okay, remember discriminant means every time we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, now let us consider an example. Now here we have 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. We have to find discriminant for this equation and decide that what will be the nature of roots. Okay, how to decide nature of roots? So that we can decide from this one. Okay, so now let us write its solution. Now here a equals to 2, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 3. Remember that a is nothing but coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. Okay, now from this one we are going to find the value of b square minus 4ac. So now discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to, now what you have to do, you have to just put these values instead of these alphabets over here. Okay, so you will get minus 4 square minus 4 into, now what is the value of a? 2 into value of c, that is 3, equals to, now minus 4 square, so it is 16. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, and here negative sign was there, so we'll write here minus sign. Now subtraction of, there are opposite signs, so there will be subtraction of numbers. So 24 minus 16 is 8, and sign of greater number is 24, so its sign is minus, so we will write here minus 8. Okay, now here we can see that the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so here we will write, now since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, minus 8 is less than 0, so we will suppose that this full b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore given equation has no real roots. Okay, why it is not having real roots? So the condition reason is that we have learned if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots are possible for that equation. Okay, so I think you must have understood up till here. Let us solve one more example based on this one. So here we have next example. Now we have 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So let us try its solution. Solution. Here a equals to 3, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 2. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of the discriminant. Now it is not compulsory to write this discriminant again and again. I have written just for your convenience so that you will remember it. Okay, so now discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to, now what is the value of b? So it is minus 5, so minus 5 square minus 4 into value of a is 3 into c is 2. Okay, so you will get equals to, now minus 5 square will be, that is 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 equals to 1. Okay, now this time it can be seen that the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 1. Okay, so what we will write? Now since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore now every time remember that if we are getting this value greater than 0 or equal to 0, so let us see what is the condition. So what is the condition? If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will have two distinct real roots. Distinct means different. Okay, therefore two distinct real roots are possible. Okay, so in this way today we have learned what is discriminant, how to find discriminant, and how to find or decide the nature of the equation by knowing the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice